All right, guys, come with me. Let's prepare this assorted pepper soup that we'll be using as our Christmas food. So, this Christmas, I just decided to make something out of the ordinary because every house on 25th usually have either is rice and stew, fried rice, jollof rice, and some houses they have all this. So, but me, I say no, that this Christmas that we are going to be eating or cooking something out of the regular. So I came up with the idea of preparing assorted pepper soup, or better still, you can call it intestine pepper soup. So this is how I prepare my. All right, this is how we made this pepper soup, guys. So I go in with the meat. I added onions because I love onion. If I don't cook without onion. Yes, I don't cook without onion. I love onion. I added Maggi. I added that's stock cube. I added salt. I added Eden fruit. And now in this liquid, we have ginger, we have pepper, we have African nutmeg, and then here is the spices, the pepper soup spices. I'm also adding it together. So after we added everything, I had to put water in this my mini blender and then rinse those spices and then pour the water in the meat. So guys, I added water that I know that will be enough for this cooking. So guys, let me know at the comment section what you prepare for your Christmas. Although this food I made it on Christmas Eve, which is 24 evening, because you know how 25th used to be. Before you know, 25th don't come and go. So I made this because we'll be going to church for Christmas. So for me not to overwork myself, I had to do some part of the chores or some part of the cooking on the 24th eve, because this Christmas we had to make it remarkable one. So I made pepper soup and snacks. I prepared meat pie, I prepared puff puff and pepper soup. So here, guys, I added my parsley leaf. Yeah, parsley leaf will give it another flavor. So guys, let me know what you prepare again. Please like and subscribe to my video. Like, that is the only way you can encourage me to do more. Like, subscribe and share. Follow for